Good morning and welcome to Guaranty RV here in beautiful Junction City. I'm Teresa and I'm here to show you 31 feet of awesome camping space in this beautiful 31K Minnie Winnie 2018. And come on inside and take a look at this great floor plan. First thing you'll notice when you walk in is all the dance room that you have in this for your next camping extravaganza. We've got a great cab here for the driver passenger. Very comfortable seating, and if need be, you need more knee room to come through here, this does remove from the doghouse. You've got your navigation, your radio, and the 450 Ford Triton engine. Great counter space here with your DVD player, your television, for indoor rainy day camping. Unusual to find an oven in these. This one does have the 3-burner propane oven and the microwave. Little hood fan. Great booth seating. A lot of times those little 2-seater dinettes just aren't enough to accommodate all the people that are on your camping trip with you. You've got seating and sleeping for at least 7 to 8 people in this unit. You need to be able to seat them as well. In here, you've got your separate shower and bathroom area, which when the doors are opened up and the other one is shut, you've got a full bathroom, which makes it really nice and keeps you from bumping your shoulders and your elbows into too many things. Coming into the back, the master suite has 2 opposing windows so that you get a nice cross breeze in the bedroom if you need to shut the doors in the evening. Queen size bed with lots of storage. And now the feature on this unit is the outside storage. Come on out and I'll show you. Little cabinet here for your long things. Some of your tools for your grill locked up, but in here is the creme de la creme, a huge area to store all your camping goods, possibly even a collapsible canoe, bicycles. You're ready to go in this unit. Come on down and take it for a test drive. I'd love to help you with it and get you some more information. My name's Teresa and you can reach me at the information below, and thank you again so much. Bye-bye.